Hi, I'm Kathy with the Enchanted Quilt, and welcome to our Friday noon unboxing. Sorry, we're running a tad behind today. We had customers walk in right before we were ready to get started, and of course the customers take precedence. So let's see here. Just a quick reminder, tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock will be our demo day. We'll be demoing a couple of rulers tomorrow. Well, I don't know if I can get that out. Let's try it this way. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut something and I'm not supposed to cut. Ow.
Like yourself?
Yeah, like myself. Okay. At least they got the tape on the... There. Okay. These are the very large, these are the largest squares that Creative Grid has. These are 20.5 inches square. Oh, I did cut myself. You know, it's okay to cut yourself just as long as you don't bleed on the fabric. Alright, we've got a wide bolt of Peacoat Grunge. It's really pretty. We're just replacing what we ran out. We got some Bella White Solid in the jelly rolls. We got several more of the Morning Star. These are made with 3 panels. Those really pretty Dream Big panels that are the florals, and it takes we've got a sample done up here at the shop. It's very, very pretty. We used a pink one and kind of a bluish periwinkle kind of color, and then the third panel is like this one. It's called Supernova, and it kind of goes from light to dark, so it takes 3 panels to make that. And then we got another butterfly patch. That's a real pretty quilt that we have, a sample of that as well. We got some glue stick refills, glue pen refills. These are the yellow. It also comes in blue and pink. And let's see. Oh, we got some clover. These are the mediums, I think. Yeah, medium thimbles. We carry about 3 different kinds of thimbles here. This is one of them. And I can't tell you which is the best because I don't do any kind of hand quilting. Alright, we've got some more of the Glorious Grandchild panel. We have a sample of a small baby quilt done up with this. Has really cute sayings on there about your grandchild. And we got some more of the Country Bunnies from the Pattern Basket. We've got a sample of that hanging up as well. Okay, we've got the Gypsy Quilter, the applique freezer paper. For your applique. And we've got some Creative Grid, the 60-degree, 8-inch finished. I want those to fall down. And we have here a 10.5 by 10.5. And then we ran out of these. These are called the Perfect 10 rulers. These are used to cut your pre-cut 10-inch squares. is his lavender best press. I think I accidentally ordered that twice, which I've been known to do quite a bit. This is drop shipped, so it doesn't come directly from the place that I order it. They actually send the order on to the manufacturer and then they ship it. So then I tend to lose track of when I've ordered that. Anyway, we got some 32 ounce, I guess these are quarts, yeah, 33 ounce of the scent free. So we've got that in. Alright, I'm gonna, let's see. Oh, that's not as heavy as I thought it was. Looks like it would be heavy because it's so big. The box has been beat up. Okay, we have a bolt of white paper grunge. This is extremely popular. And a wide back of the primitive muslin. We use a lot of that. It's very, very pretty. Okay, I have, between various and sundry things, I got a block done, and if you remember, we got this butterfly pattern in from the pattern basket, and there is what it looks like. And it turned out really pretty. And I've been working on, I love this book. It's called Witch's Night Out. It's a Halloween book. It has patterns in here for a variety of pumpkins, and there's a cauldron, there's a witch's hat, a bat, and you know, eventually you end up putting it together and making it. Actually, there's table runners, but then you can put a whole quilt together. I'm trying to find a picture of it. There's the layout of the quilt. Thinking, I don't show a really good colored picture of the completed quilt. Maybe there's part of it. But anyway, it's really, really darling. And I love these books by It's So Emma because they have the spiral binding on them and they're really nice to work with. So, where is my bat? I had to make the bat. I thought it was really cute. And there's the bat. And I almost done, but I still have to show it to you. It's not quite done, but it's almost done. Does that count? This is the witch's hat, and I've got that to sew on yet, and then it will be done. So then you kind of get a feel for what it looks like. Witch's hat. So anyway, just so you can get to see a couple of the blocks out of that book, but it's a really cool book. I've got more on order. I think this is the last one I have, by the way. Okay. We had a lot of out-of-towners in this week, but not many locals. So we don't have too many to pick from, or too many to draw from today. So if you were in, that increases your odds, I guess. Melanie Key, you are the winner of our $10 gift certificate this Friday afternoon. With that, try to stay cool, and we'll see you next time.